After returns, let us discuss how much risk there is in this fund. So to understand how much risk there is in any fund and what its performance is like, there are three main ratios which are used in mutual fund industry, and these are alpha, beta and Sharpe ratio. Now if we talk about the beta of this fund, it is only 0.66, whereas the beta of the category is 0.93. So its beta is lower than the category and it is good for its investors. As lower the beta of a fund, the less volatile that fund will be. Meaning you will not see too much fluctuations in the NAV of this fund, which you also experience that there is not much fluctuations in the NAV of Parag Parikh Flexi fund, and you get stable performance from this fund year after year. The next ratio is alpha, which tells how much this fund will outperform other funds in its category and how much better returns it will provide to its investors. Then here too, whereas the category average is only 0.55, the alpha of this fund is at a very high level of 5.78. And this is the reason why this fund has outperformed other funds in its category by a huge margin, which you have seen in its 1 year and 10-year performances, where it has outperformed the category averages by a large margin. Now let us discuss the third important ratio, which is the Sharpe ratio. The Sharpe ratio tells us how much risk a fund takes to generate returns for its investors. Means how much risk adjusted return a fund provides to its investors. So this ratio is also in favor of this fund, as where the category average is 0.87, the ratio of the fund is at 1.28, meaning that Parag Parikh Flexi fund generates more returns for you even by taking less risk compared to other funds in the Flexi fund category. So these three important ratios, beta, alpha and Sharpe ratio, are in favor of Parag Parikh Flexi fund, which depicts that this fund takes less risk and also generates more returns, while at the same time there will be not much volatility in its NAV.